another video. As you can see, today we will be doing the unboxing of my new hair products that I received. But first, baby, let's get into this skin. If y'all want me to do a skin routine video, drop it down in the comments and I'll drop that for you. Also, ignore the brows. They need to be waxed. I'm not getting my eyebrows waxed until I go get my hair did for my pictures. So no, I'm not getting my eyebrows waxed no time soon. My hair is acting a little bit okay, not all the way how I wanted it to act, but I can take this. Because I was cute today. Y'all want to see my outfit? Let me show y'all my outfit. I move my chair. So here is my outfit. From Fashion Over. Brought this from Fashion Over maybe a month and a half ago. Because I was getting ready for the winter time. But I was like, I'm going to wear this for when I go back to work. So today was my first day back at work. Yes, I am a school teacher. And I was loving the fit. Okay, back to these products. Fashion Nova should sponsor me. I'm gonna just throw that out there because I do buy a lot of things from Fashion Nova. I want me to do a Fashion Nova haul. I'll do that for you guys one day too. Okay, so getting back into this. All right, so my products came in from Sunny Owl. It actually came in a few days ago, but I didn't have time to like actually get into the unboxing. So I did open the box, but I didn't take anything out. All right, so I'm going to do it with you guys. So first, I'm going to start off with the shampoo. So here is the Sunny Owl New and Improved Extra Dark Shampoo. Okay. It says paraben-free, sulfate-free, anti-fade formula. Replenish and rejuvenate. The original, authentic Jamaican black castor oil. Okay. And it's the extra black with an extra dark Jamaican black castor oil. Extreme hydration and detangling shampoo. Infused with 100% pure and natural Jamaican black castor oil, panthenol, and hydrolyzed wheat protein. So I never tried Sunny Owls before, so this will be my first time trying it. If any of you guys ever used Sunny Owls before, can you please drop in the comments what you may think is the difference between the extra dark Jamaican black castor oil and the regular Jamaican black castor oil. I also see that some people have been, using it for different things, and I'll get into that once I get to the oils. But for the shampoo, it said your benefit strengthens hair from root to tip, perfect for color treated hair, excellent for all types and textures of curls, coils, leaves hair silky, soft, and easy to comb. Thickens and adds volume to thinning hair, adds shine, helps with dry and itchy scalp. We're gonna see how this works. All right, so that was the shampoo. All right. Now here is the extra dark conditioner. All right, this is the extra dark conditioner. It also comes in a 12 fluid ounce bottle. And basically it says the same thing. The only difference I see is that the conditioner is infused with 100% in natural Jamaican black castor oil, sesame seed oil, and rose hip oil. So it has different things in it from the shampoo. Okay. And they said for your benefits, it hydrates the ultimate shine and silkiness, excellent for all types of textures of curls, coils, thickens and adds volume to thinning hair. Same thing. Increased manageability, helps to repair damaged hair, detangles, and co-wash. So you can actually do a co-wash with this conditioner as well. I love co-washes, no lie. Like, I feel like they tend to give my hair more moisture when I co-wash than when I shampoo and conditioner at the same time. But they have wheat protein, 100% Jamaican black castor oil, shea butter, rosehip oil, and sesame seed oil in here. Okay. Alrighty, moving on to the leave-in, not free forever detangler and conditioner infused with Jamaican black castor oil. So this is a leave-in. Trying to get it to focus. Alright, so leave-in. It comes in this white bottle. Alright, this is an 8 fluid ounce, and it actually has the little spray, so you wouldn't have to dip it all in a hand. They have a lot of different ingredients in here, so I'm guessing it's not paraben free, and it don't have that on here like the rest, like those are. So I see that they have some extra ingredients in the leave-in. So we're gonna see about that, because lately I hadn't been using anything that have extra ingredients on it. But it should be good. We shall see. Alright, so moving on, I have the Jamaican black castor oil intensive repair mask damage reversal formula. So this is like a deep conditioner, you guys. Deep conditioner. It comes in this container. It is 16 fluid ounces. It says it leaves hair softer, healthier, fortified, hydrated, and damage-free. So it is infused with 100% pure Jamaican black castor oil, wheat protein, coconut oil, grapeseed oil, linseed oil, and safflower oil, seed oils, and vitamin E. Sound like some good things in here. Let me open it. I'm gonna open it. Oh, it's kind of hard. Y'all, it's really hard to open. What they put on it? I'll be back. Hold on. I'll be back. So you guys, guess what? I said I was coming right back because the top ain't won't open. I don't know what kind of damn seal they put on here, but all I know, this shit ain't coming off. I'm sorry for the cursing, but it ain't. Like, y'all, I've been doing this for the last few minutes. It ain't coming off. Like, I don't know what they did, but it gonna open eventually, because I'm gonna need to put this in my head. I ain't pay all that money for this for nothing. Cause shoot, I don't know why they'll top this up all hard like this. Like, why? I don't know why. All right. When they do open, because when I wash my hair this weekend or whatever, I'ma wash it and I'll use that on it before I put my wig on, y'all. I'm gonna do a protective style so I can see, do a little review on how I use the Sunny Isle products. And we gonna see, because moving on. All right, so here is the oil. It comes in this kind of pack. So let me open it, because it's a glass bottle. It's not a plastic container like those. So it's a glass bottle. All right, so here is the bottle it comes in. Y'all can see it. All right, so it's the replenish and rejuvenate the original authentic Jamaican black castor oil, extra dark Jamaican black castor oil, the only Jamaican black castor oil approved for export by the Jamaican government. Y'all, it's 100% natural, no salt added. So let's get into this oil. It's made from a castor oil plant. It's actually 100% natural. This is the real deal. This is not the little Jamaican black castor oil they sell you in the store by BB with all the extra ingredients that I normally use on my hair. I used to use it, but I feel like my hair got so used to it to the point where I couldn't use it no more. So I started going back to something different that I normally would use. But y'all, they said the directions: massage small amount of Sunny Isle Jamaican black castor oil into scalp daily. Do not rinse out. So for a pre-shampoo hot oil treatment, apply a generous amount of Sunny Isle black castor oil into scalp and hair. Cover with plastic cap and apply heat for 30 to 45 minutes. Shampoo and style as usual. Other usages: repairs and replenishes dry skin and other skin conditions, muscle aches and arthritic pains. Ingredients: Ricinus communis castor oil. That's it. That's the main ingredient. So this is the real deal, you guys. Also, I'm gonna get into this oil. Also, they stated that you can use this for your eyebrows as well as your lashes. I actually watched one YouTuber. She was actually she did like a I'm gonna have to go find it, y'all. If I find it, I'll tag it down below in the description. But she was using the original castor oil, and she was applying it to her eyelashes. And as you can see in the beginning, like she showed how her eyelashes looked with mascara on, without mascara on, and she really they were very, very thin and small, like they were sharp. So she wanted her lashes to be longer. So what she did was, she said she used it for about a week or two, and as that time was progressing, she kept uploading videos showing, like, well, not the video, like she kept recording herself over the time, and she showed like the progress, and like her lashes really flourished or whatever. Like my lashes, they're there, you can see them, but ever since I have been wearing the other lashes, y'all see, like right in here, you can see the lashes in there, but they're like very, very thin, like in the inside. So y'all know what I've been thinking. My eyebrows are pretty straight too. They just be looking crazy when I need them waxed, but don't do me. You in my business? Don't do that. All right, anyway, but I'm gonna try that too. I'm gonna keep the little seal on it. I ain't gonna take it off right now. I'm gonna try that too, though. I'm gonna try to put them right here, like in between, every now and again. And I want to see how much mine grow within a week or two. And I will actually give you guys an update on that whenever I start the journey. I will let you know. But that's it for my products. That's all the products I received from Sunny Isle. I heard their mousse is really good too, but my perm rods don't never come out right. But I'm gonna try them one day. As soon as I get my hair straightened. After I get my hair straightened, once my hair get old, I'm gonna go ahead and do my perm rods. That's the only time they come out right. When I try to do it like this, my hair be curling up too bad for it to come out right. So let me know if you guys like this video, if you want me to do some more reviews on more products, because I will be trying more products out, because normally I'm one of those people who like to stick with the same product for the longest. I do that. If it works, I'm gonna keep using. But lately I've been saying I was gonna try a new product. So just let me know down in the comments if you want me to try a specific product. I'll try it. And that's it, you guys. That's all I have for today. Thank you guys for watching. If you watched the video in entirety, remember, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I thank you for being one of my teas or whatever. So I will see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.